If I could prove that I'm more than what I seem to be, I know how to operate simple machines. I can do math in my head. I can hold my bladder for 3 hours or more. What more needs to be said? I could drive through outer space. Oh my lordy. Could see me who I should be these days. No more union gigs. No more driving me. I'll be driving meteors and space dust. Machines.